Okay guys, so today's video is going to be all about new drugstore makeup. I picked up everything in the drugstore myself. Some e.l.f. products were sent to me, but I wanted to do a full face of first impressions on all of this new drugstore products. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe right down below for me, and also hit that little notification bell. That way you guys are notified every time I upload a new video, which is going to be Monday and Friday. So let's just jump right into this video. So I did pick up a few products from Wet n Wild's Flights of Fancy. I got their blushes here. I got all 3 blushes. I also got the new Wet n Wild, their primer water spray. I picked up the 3 limited edition glosses, and then I also got the lip scrub. I also picked up this new L'Oreal bronzer. I don't know if it's new, but it was in the new section and I've never seen it before, so I picked this up. I also got some foundations, but you guys know I usually like to do my foundation reviews separately, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be using them today. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but this one is from CoverGirl. This is their True Blend Matte Made Foundation, and then I got the Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage foundations. I might just use one of them today, but I'm going to do like a full review on both for you guys. Then I also got the ILLUMINATIng from Nicole Guerrero, the new Faux Minx Lashes, and then this also Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. So I'm super excited to try this because I love any face oils. Also, I have in the Wet n Wild collection their Perfect Pout Lip Scrub. I have some Pixi here as well, some mascara. I have some e.l.f. eyeliner. Let's see, I have some e.l.f. Prismatic Lip Gloss to show you guys. And also this e.l.f. Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. So I'm going to try to incorporate all this stuff. Like maybe I'll use this first and then maybe this last or something just to set it. And then also today we're going to go in with these e.l.f. Chromatic Eyeshadow Palettes. These are new as well. The e.l.f. stuff was sent to me, and also the Pixi stuff was sent to me as well. But everything else I pretty much bought with my own money. So getting right into the video, I want to go in first with the scrub. So this is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Lip Scrub, and I'm just gonna open it up. So this one is called Pucker Up. So I'm just going to take a little bit on my finger here, on my nail, and I'm just going to scrub that on my lips. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, not over the sink, but let's try it anyway. So just a little side note, if you guys want your lips to be just a little bit bigger, always try to exfoliate. It does give them a little plumpness, and it brings like the blood to the flow of the lips. So yeah, so this worked out well. It smells like strawberry. It smells like a candy. Starburst? No. It smelled like really fruity, but this smells really good. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to the eyes first. I've already done my eyebrows. I've already put concealer on and set them. So I'm not sure which palette I wanna go in with. I think I may wanna go in with this one just because this has a lot of the shades that I normally use, and I don't wanna do the same things over and over on my channel. I wanna try to do things a little bit different, but I am gonna show you guys both palettes. So let me just take them out of the box. So this is how the palette looks. It's definitely different. If you guys can see, it's pretty thick here. And then you open it up here, you have a mirror, and then these are the shadows. And then of course you get an e.l.f. brush there. So I'm thinking of using this just because I love this shade right here. This shade is really, really nice. So let me, okay. So I'm just gonna swatch this shade. Let me swatch this one, and then I'll swatch this one here. So showing you guys up close the shades, those are super pigmented, guys. Like I just swiped them one swipe and look what I got. So I am thinking I want to use this. I know my mind is saying, no, Tanya, use the other palette because that's what you're going to like the most, but no. So this is what I really want to go in with, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not gonna do it because yesterday I did like a purple look for you guys, but I want to swatch these for you. Like I have to swatch this first shade. Oh my goodness, that first shade. Let's swatch this dark shade right here, and let's just swatch this shade right here. Look at this. Look at how beautiful. Oh my God, it's gonna take a lot for me not to go into this palette today because I really, really want to use these shades. So we're gonna save that palette for next time, but we are gonna go in with this palette. So the first shade I wanna take is this one right here. That one is a matte shade, and I'm gonna take that and just put that into my crease. So that shade is a little bit more on the grayish side. And I'm trying not to get discouraged, not because it's not good. I just know what shades look best on me, and I feel like warm tones look better. But now I'm just going to take the e.l.f. brush that it came with, and I'm going to go into this darker shade right here. And I'm just going to take that and put that into the crease. So normally I would wait to go in to the brow bone, but I need to soften that up just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with this shade right here from the palette, and I need to soften it up just a little bit on that brow bone. Okay, so now I'm just going to cut the crease with my concealer, and I'm actually going to take my Anastasia number 18 brush. So I'm just going to go in with a pointed brush right now, and what I'm going to do is take that same darker shade and just go right into the crease right above where I cut it at, because I just want to darken that up just a little bit. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that green shade and also put it on the outside. So I think next I'm going to take that green shade right there, and I just want to work that in just a little bit on the outer corner, just to have like a little bit change of some color. So then now I'm just going to go in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to place that on the lid. Okay, so now that we did the eye, I just want to go in with a little bit of liner. So I think I'm going to use this Catrice gel eyeliner. This has been my favorite in the past couple of videos. I know you guys are used to seeing this on my channel, but I'm just going to go in with this liner. Okay guys, so I think that wing looks pretty decent. So now I'm going to go in with the Pixi and Petra Black Lash Primer. But before I go in with this, I want to just talk really quickly about the shadows. I really honestly like the shadows, but that's not a surprise to me because not for nothing, e.l.f., their shadows are always so good. So as far as the shadows are concerned, I love me some e.l.f. shadows. I mean, who doesn't love e.l.f. shadows? Like, you have to be insane. They're so super pigmented, and it's so inexpensive. e.l.f. and I feel like you can get so many great things from e.l.f. I just absolutely love this brand, guys. So next I'm just gonna go in with this Pixi. This is their lash primer in black. It's the Black Lacquer Lash Primer, and Pixi sent this to me as well, so I'm just gonna be trying this out. So now I'm just going to apply my eyelashes, and these are the Nicole Guerrero eyelashes. They're the Faux Mink Collection ones. So I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. This is their Beauty Shield Daily Defense Makeup Mist. And I'm using this first because I want to use the Wet n Wild Primer Water after. And I want to use the Milani oil like right after I use this. So I'm just going to spray my face really quickly. So that smells really good. So now I'm going to go in with this is the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. So this is really new to me. I haven't heard anything about this, but it says here directions: apply 1 or 2 drops. Okay. It is a moisturizing face oil. It brightens and balances the skin. It gives you a youthful glow. It's a lightweight formula that may be used on the hair, face, and body. Oh, so it could be used on the hair as well. So I'm just going to go in with this. And I love my Kevyn Aucoin primer oil. It's so good. You guys have seen me use that all the time on my channel. But this is a little bit more affordable, obviously. So I'm going to go in and just put a little bit of drops of this on my face. It doesn't say that it's a primer oil, though. It just says a, oh yeah, it is a Prep and Brighten. So I definitely put a lot of oil on my face. I didn't probably need to put that much, but My face is looking like a little red too. I hope it didn't irritate my face. It doesn't feel like it's irritated. It just may look like it's irritated, but it definitely doesn't feel like it. I don't know. So hopefully it works. So I know I showed you guys the new Drugstore foundations in the beginning of the video, but I don't think I'm going to use them today. So you guys know when I normally do my foundation Fridays, I use the foundation all day and then tell you how I feel about it at the end of the video. I don't want to really use those in this video, but I will be doing a foundation Friday on both of those, so look out for them. So I am going to be taking my Too Faced Peach Perfect. I'm actually mixing them with honey and natural beige just because I am tan. So I'm just going to use my Shape Tape concealer because there was nothing new in the drugstore that I saw for as far as concealer is concerned. So I'm just going to go down my nose, my forehead, right here, on the sides of my nose, and then my chin as well. So now I'm just going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me. This is their loose finishing powder, and I know this isn't that new, but it is pretty new in the drugstore. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to set my under eyes. So now just taking my BH Cosmetics brush, and I'm just going to take all of this off, and then I'm going to go in with my bronzer. So now I'm just going to go in with this L'Oreal Lumi bronzer. This one is in medium 02. So it does have a little shimmer to it, which I really don't like, but it doesn't look really too bad. But it's not my favorite. The shimmer in it, oh, I don't like that on my forehead. I don't like shimmer on my forehead. So I'm just going to go in with the powder because I feel like that was so shimmery, and I'm just going to put it right on top of that. Oh my God, am I ruining my makeup here today? Oh my Lord, what am I doing? So now I'm going to go into the blushes, and these are the Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It took me like 20 minutes just to say it before. So this one is Hummingbird Hype. Then you have Dare to Soar. That's this one right here. And then Don't Flutter Yourself. So I'm trying to think what would look best with this look, and it's probably going to be this one right here, just because I feel like Don't Flutter Yourself might be a little bit too pink, and then Dare to Soar might be way too pink. So I'm going to swatch the Dare to Soar and Don't Flutter Yourself on my, oh my gosh, on my fingers, guys. Oh my God. So if you guys could see that, that is insane pigmentation, and it is just so beautiful. But I love that this has a little bit of shimmer to it. So this one is Hummingbird Hype, and I'm going to swatch that one for you guys. So this one is like a rose gold shade. Hopefully you guys could see that. It's super, super pretty. So I'm gonna go in with this one, and I'm still taking that same BH It's My Ray Ray brush. Oh my gosh, that almost looks like highlight. Like, it doesn't even look like a blush to me. I feel like I don't even need highlight after putting this on. Like, this is crazy. I want to try to keep it a little bit lower than I would normally do it, because I feel like this is gonna look like highlight. Like, if I put highlight on, I don't know, like, that is crazy right there. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose. This is gorgeous. These are so pretty. If you guys can get your hands on these, oh my God, they are gorgeous. So I know I probably don't even need any highlight with this blush at all, but I think I'm gonna go in with this blush. This is from Wet n Wild. I told you guys, I love their stuff. This one is the Sweetest Bling. This is one of my favorite highlights. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and just pop it right there on the top of the blush. So I think I want to go in with this Pixi here. This is their Endless Silky Eye Pen Matte Mulberry. And I've tried one of these before. And they sent these to me as well but I just want to do maybe smoke out burgundy on the bottom. I'm not sure of how that would look, but I don't want it to be the same as the top. I want to kind of make it a little bit different. So I'm just going to put this in my waterline. So now I'm just going to smoke this out just a little bit. And I think I want to go into the other palette, and I'm going to take this burgundy shade right here, and I think I want to smoke that out on the bottom lash. This is coming along really nicely. I really love the eye look. So now I want to go in with some of their lip products, and I'm going to show you guys really quickly. So the 3 lip products I have here are from the Wet n Wild collection, the Flights of Fancy collection. So I have this gloss here in Fly Gal. This one is Featherless. And then the last one is Shut the Pluck Up. So I'm going to swatch these on the back of my hand for you guys. So this one is called Featherless. So that's this one right here. It's a nice peachy nude shade. And then this one right here is called Fly Gal. So this one is more of the pinky nude. This is the last shade, and this one is called Shut the Pluck Up. I think I'm going to go in with Featherless because I feel like it'll match really nicely with what I have on. So the gloss is not sticky at all. That's what I love about it. Not a sticky gloss. It's the best. So just to top it, I'm going to go in with this lip gloss from e.l.f. This is their Prismatic Lip Gloss in Rose Quartz. So I just swatched it on my hand right there so you guys could see it. So it has like a little bit of pink shimmer to it and gold shimmer. So I feel like I want to put this like right in the middle. So you can definitely see the shimmer on top of the gloss, and it gives it just a little hint of something. Okay guys, so the last thing I'm going to do is I want to spray this on my face. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, their primer water spray. So I want to try this, and I'm just going to set everything with this now. So yeah, so that is it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this drugstore first impressions videos. If you guys do like these type of videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.